The first step in making an application to the court is mediation. The applicant is required to attend a Mediation Information Assessment Meeting, or MIAM. This is usually a short telephone call with a mediator. The purpose of this is to assess whether the difficulties between the parties can be resolved without the need for court. If after your MIAM, the mediator deems that your case is not suitable for mediation, they will provide you with a form. This will confirm your attendance at the MIAM and will be necessary to make an application to the court. Once this MIAM form is received, we will be able to draft an application to the court for an order on your behalf. Next, an application will be drafted for your approval. There is a court fee to make the application of £215. Once the application has been received and processed by the court, the other party or respondent will be provided with a copy of your application. The court will then list the matter for a hearing. The hearing is usually listed within 6 weeks of you making your application. Prior to the hearing, CAFCAS, who are a court advisory service, will contact both you and the respondent to discuss the issues that are live between you. At the first hearing, the court will attempt to narrow the issues between the parties to see if agreement can be reached. If agreement can be reached on the day, and the court agrees that this is in the best interests of the children, a final order will be made setting out the details of this. If you cannot reach agreement at the first hearing, the court will identify the remaining areas of disagreement and the reasons why. The court will identify any evidence that may assist a judge in making a decision as to the arrangements for the children and what is in their best interests. Further hearings will be listed to take place, which will be dependent on the individual case. The court does not want to assume the role of parenting, and therefore you will be encouraged to reach agreement at every stage of the proceedings. The court process can be daunting, and whilst court proceedings should be a last resort, the court are there to assist and facilitate the relationship between parties and their children.